Apple launches repair program for iPhone 7 no service issue. Apple has launched a repair program for the iPhone 7 devices that are impacted by an issue that causes some of them to display no service in the status bar even if the cellular coverage is available. The issue, which was originally spotted by some users following the launch of the iPhone 7 back in September 2016, mainly comes into focus when users turn off airplane mode on the affected devices. The company states that the problem surfaces due to a component that has failed on the main logic board. In a support page, Apple mentions that it had determined the hardware-centric issue on a small percentage of iPhone 7 devices that were manufactured between September 2016 and February 2018. The affected units were sold in a handful of markets, including China, Hong Kong, Japan, Macau, and the US. Further, model numbers that are particularly impacted by the issue include A1660 and A1780 in China, A1660 in Hong Kong, Macau, and the US, and A779 in Japan. If your iPhone 7 has the model number specified by Apple, which you can check on the back of the device, you can opt for the free device repair from the company by following the instructions on the Apple website. It is recommended to back up your iPhone before taking it for service. Customers who have already paid for repairs could be eligible for reimbursement. Apple will also be contacting customers via email who have paid for a repair related to the no service issue to arrange reimbursement. This process will run until the end of March 2018. And even upon its closure, customers can contact Apple to request compensation for the money they've paid in repairing the affected iPhone 7. Notably, the repair program is only opened for the iPhone 7 and is subject to a prior examination by Apple to verify whether the particular iPhone model is impacted by the issue and is eligible for repair. The company has also specified on its support page that devices with any damage that impairs the ability to complete the repair process, such as a cracked screen, will need to have those addressed before going for the no service fix. This may involve a cost associated with the additional repair that will be borne from the customer's side only. Furthermore, Apple has explicitly written on its support page that the new program doesn't extend the standard warranty coverage of the iPhone 7, though it covers the affected models for 2 years after the first retail sale of the handset in question. You can contact an authorized Apple service provider, visit an Apple retail store, or reach Apple support to resolve the no service issue on your iPhone 7. However, in all cases, the impacted iPhone 7 needs to be sent to an Apple repair center for service.